Only babe, I was the other side. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's wash and go, I used the Crowns and Contours Caribbean Coils collection. First, I started out with their coconut cream hair milk. Then I used their Passionfruit and Pom Oil. And then I started defining my curls with their Curl Control Jelly. I love this hair milk. It soaks right into my hair. This gel did a great job at clumping my curls. These products smelled so good, and they made it really easy for me to glide my fingers right through my hair. I could already tell this was going to be a bomb wash and go because there was no frizz. The next day my hair was soft, defined, it had volume. I was really loving my results.